Drivers getting ready to hit the tracks on racing's biggest day. The 109th Indianapolis 500 begins tomorrow at 10 a.m. Eastern on Fox.
So the question is, what's it really like to take a lap around this famous Indianapolis Motor Speedway?
Auto expert Mike Caudill was able to score an exclusive ride in an Indy car. He joins us now. Mike, it's just incredible. You got to go around this track at 200 miles an hour. How fast were you going? 3 Gs?
Yeah, just under 200 miles an hour. And I get to test drive cars all the time. I've been on so many tracks. I had no idea the 3 Gs that I would pull out of this when I hit the turn. It was insane.
Okay, well, let's take a look. Here's your experience.
I'm getting ready for the experience of a lifetime. I'm actually going to take a ride in a 2-seater Indy car here at the Indy 500. Before I get behind the seat and in the cockpit of this Indy car, I got to go to a pro, an expert, right? No one better than Townsend Bell, 10-time Indy 500 competitor and Fox Sports current analyst. We'll see him on Sunday at the race.
First and foremost, I feel like I'm looking at a human life-size bobblehead. Your neck is going to take the G-forces here. You're going to be going 200 miles an hour through 4 90-degree corners. This might be the most dangerous thing you ever do, so use protection. I got you your own helmet, full pro mode. In fact, some of the sponsors of this race have actually dipped in to help you on this. Shell, Pelote, NTT Data, Texas A&M, they're all on board for your journey.
And my last name. Let's go, Top Gun!
What are you feeling right now?
Well, first off, it's incredibly tight in here. How do you even see out of this thing? They went hauling by, and I have no expectations other than the fact that I might scream. Let's go, baby. There's one thing to do, and that is go fast. You have no idea. I had no idea what that would be like. Your head is like a bobblehead on the inside of this thing, banging from one side to another. I got to tell you guys right now, that was absolutely insane, the amount of G-force in that turn.
Mike, welcome to Indianapolis. You are baptized.
Let's go, baby. That was amazing.
Nice. So you said you could feel, as you were going around, you could feel your face just like getting smushed by the G-force.
Yeah, you can see in the video, like, I had no expectation other than I knew I was going to go fast. And then all of a sudden, I started feeling my face start to squish. And I was trying to pull it back. And Townsend told me, he's like, your head's going to be like a bobblehead. And if you watch even some of the longer video, my head's going like this the whole way. And I'm like, I don't know what to do. It was just wild, you know. And I, before we go, I got to thank Lucas Oil. They're the ones that made this happen. Brandon Bernstein, who was an NHRA driver, 340 miles per hour on a track.
Wow.
He was like, hey, man, you want to try this? And I'm like, yeah, it'll be a lot of fun. And I'm like, you get out there. It is wild how fast
Mike,
these guys go.
I'm looking at you, and it's like, I think about cars, and I think about Mike Caudill. You are like a little kid in a candy store right now.
I am. The congressman that was just on asked me outside, he's like, well, wait, hold on a second. You test drive cars every single week? I'm like, yeah. He's like, what were you in last week? $210,000 Mercedes GT 63 AMG. It's like, yeah, so that's what, I mean, I get to do it on the track here, right? So I'm going to be here on Sunday, taking it all in. I'm going to be with some of the Fox Sports team, watching all of this, Jamie Little and their crew. I think what's the most amazing about this, and I asked Townsend, how much weight do you lose during a 3-hour race? 8 pounds.
Wow. You are kidding.
Yeah, you're losing weight. You're out there competing. And, I mean, we're talking about who's going to win, right? Joseph Newgarden starting in the back of the pack. This young man could pull off 3, and I think he might actually do it.
We shall see.
We shall see.
History might be made.
It will
right
be
here.
made.
All right.
All right. Thank you.